This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, water heater, skylight, external shower, stove top burner, LP detector, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE is 5,923 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.